to our channel. Today we have a old vintage Jeep with a Toyota 2C engine in this, which is come for service with us at the moment. It is come for the full service. Full service is going to be done at Jeepzone, Bangalore. You can just have a look at the vehicle. You can just check out right now. The engine oil is completely been drained out, and there was a leakage issues on the vehicle completely, and there was a bearing issues on the rear wheel also. So you can just check out. The some completely been drained out at the moment, and we are going to put a brand new some packing, and the oil filter is being completely replaced. Air filter is also going to be replaced. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The radiator has been gone for service at the moment, and there was a leakage issues from the crank, so oil seal is going to be replaced. Just waiting for the item to be sourced, because these are the old engines which are been very old engines which have been used on these Jeeps. And you can just check out all the parts which has been completely removed, and we are going to wash it in diesel completely, and everything brand new things will be done on this. You can just check out the oil filter also. So you can just have a look at the vehicle at the moment. This is a Gypsy, which is also another ramp. These both the vehicles have been fitted on the ramp itself. We are a multi-brand workshop. We are based in Bangalore. For any kinds of service, you can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are a multi-brand workshop. We undertake both Jeep, Gypsies, Boleros, Thars, and also small segment petrol and diesel cars also. So please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. Please share our videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube also. Thank you and have a great day.